Hi guys, good morning. Today is July 21 and syempre, today na yung flight ko. So, hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kasi excited. Excited, diba? So, yun na nga. Today yung flight ko mamayang gabi. So, gabi yung flight ko. So, makarating ako ng Pilipinas is morning na siya guys. So, morning na. So, excited kasi si Honey yung magsusundo sa akin sa airport. Ayan. Masilaw yung ilaw. Yung ano ng ilaw kasi kagigising yan. So, excited lang kasi nga si Honey yung mag-pick up sa akin doon sa sa airport. Siya yung magsusundo sa akin sa airport. So, ayan. So, let's see na lang. Actually, hindi pa ako nakapak. Ipapak ko pa lahat ng gamit ngayon. And then, basta mamayang gabi pa naman yung yung flight ko. And then, morning na yung dating ko ng Pilipinas. So, see you na lang sa sa vlog kung anong meron. Hindi ko, wala akong dala na yung folder ko. Wala akong dala. Kaya mag-brush. Ganda kasi. Tulay. Yung tulay.
as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.